Welcome back. Let's do question 1.3. Determine the value of 3p plus q squared if 9p squared plus q squared is equal to 12 and pq is equal to -3. How can we get 9p squared plus q squared and pq from this expression? We can only square this binomial 3p plus q. If we simplify this, we have to simplify this, which is a square binomial. So which is 3p plus q squared. It is very easy to square binomial. What you do, you square this term, 3p squared, you get 9p squared. Then maintain this sign, plus, and then say 2 times 3p times q. 2 times 3p times q is 6pq. 6pq. And then the last term is always positive, so you square this one, it's going to be plus q squared. Okay, then you can do it the long way and say 3p plus q times 3p plus q, right? 3p times 3p, that is 9p squared, and 3p times q, that is plus 3pq. Then q times 3p, that is plus 3pq. Then q times q, that is plus q squared. Then we have 9p squared. Then 3pq plus 3pq, that is plus 6pq. Then plus q squared. Okay, that's that there. And then, so we're getting the same thing as this. So now if you check here, we have 9p squared plus q squared, 9p squared plus q squared, then plus 6pq plus 6pq. Okay, then this is equal to 12 here. So this is 12 and then plus 6, then pq is -3, so it has -3, so which is 12 plus -18, which is 12 minus 18, and you're getting -6. That's the answer.